Come on with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. With the come on, get down with the get down. You know the snacks are not the nasty niggas who murdered me. The half on the artifacts and churches. Cause brothers be bugging, not giving love to the numbers, saying fuck us. Cause we be shining brighter than the suckers. Shouldn't be prison, nobody listens to you listen. You show my shit's legit and that's the lyricist I hit. I know, so why don't I smile when I take pictures? Cause never the rock, I got my niggas on my jock and bitches. I just wanna do my dance with family, slamming to some lightness. But fighters and backstabbing rappers don't even like this. But prostitute, hit the source, rap pages and the lyrics. And read about the doors while you be flapping your jaws. I freak techniques, this talk is cheap, the beats from Noise Street. Most pop, entertainment, but since they leave them all beat. So keep out, keep my technique freaks and how my shit sounds. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Up your rap, sucker, duck, what the track's open up. To prove the point that the niggas is the joint. Magazines you will see, now pop the tape, bring your deck. I got the heavy ammunition, cause I'm flexing with the tech. Niggas can't believe the artifacts. Got the troops up the streets, so bow down on your knees. Yo, we ain't got the same lane, ordinary plain game. Put the shame in the crew who wants to build the blame. Two weeks of listen to the rap recognition. My right hand is reaching from the shit that I'm stripping. So pass the baton to the next one.